made it to the caves, but how do we even get here? We hiked it, that's how. 3 hours up, and we should be up to the caves. Over the river and through the woods to the Waterfall cave. We go. There's the horse. The horse knows the way. So yeah, we're hiking now in these beautiful Colombian landscapes. And luckily we just got to a little bit of a flat land, so I could speak a bit, because I am gassed going up those hills. What about you, Phil? What hills? Oh, our new guide showing us the way. Oh, just ran into a massive snake. It's also on the trail. Going down though. Good thing growing up.
Yeah, thank God, dude.
Biggest snake I think I've ever seen in the wild. Mini dose of a waterfall, but don't worry, this is not the waterfall. Another teaser waterfall, quite a bit bigger than the last one. Still though, just a teaser waterfall. The main one is still up ahead. Made it to a cow field of cows. Maybe we'll be able to get some ice cream later. Middle of Colombia. Hiking through a lot of mud. A lot of mud. I don't know what else to tell you, but we're getting close to the main attraction now. It's just up here. Caught in a little rain, also got lost a couple times. Got on this guy's property and he was like yelling at us. We thought he was gonna come out and shoot us, but luckily we escaped. No, just kidding, he was a nice guy, showed us the way. Almost got mauled down by a couple cows. Yeah, what else, Phil? What else did we miss?
We missed the trail, we missed pretty much everything about this hike we've missed.
Yeah, but we're back on the trail now, about 20 minutes from the main fall. Look at the size of these leaves. Basically, massive, bigger than my hand. Well, we made it to the caves, but how do we even get here? Roll it back. Roll it back. Well, we made it to the cave. This cave is amazing. Actually, it has very
what? I don't know what you're about to say.
Very powerful waterfall in it. Stoked about that as always, to see a waterfall in a cave. But how did we even get here? Roll it back.
Roll it back.
All right, after seeing all those cows today, makes me in the mood for some ice cream. When was the last time you saw a waterfall? Better get out there.